Dear shareholder, as you know, your company Bajaj Finserv Limited, Bajaj Finserv or BFS, is the holding company for the various financial services businesses under the Bajaj Group. The companies under BFS serve millions of customers by providing solutions for asset acquisition through financing, asset protection through general insurance, family and income protection in the form of life and health insurance, and retirement and savings solutions. BFS participates in the financing business through Bajaj Finance or BFL, a company listed on both the BSE and the NSE. The shareholding of your company in BFL was 52.74% as at the end of the reporting year. In its part, BFL has a 100% subsidiary, Bajaj Housing Finance or BHFL, which is registered with the National Housing Bank as a housing finance company for its mortgage business. BFL has also started a broking business in FY 2020 through its 100% subsidiary, Bajaj Financial Securities, BFinSec. The protection and savings business is done through Bajaj Allianz General Insurance or BAGIC for general insurance including health, and Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance Company or BALIC for life insurance and retirement plans. Both BAGIC and BALIC are unlisted joint ventures with Allianz SE, one of the world's leading composite insurers. As on 31st March 21, your company held 74% of the equity capital in both BAGIC and BALIC, with the balance with Allianz. How have these enterprises fared in a year that has been ravaged by COVID-19? Let me begin with BFL. Despite being hit by the national lockdown that began on 25th March 2020 and continued till 31st May last year, followed by gradual dismantling of curbs that went on up to 30th November 2020, BFL has performed well. To be sure, not as well as we have seen BFL do over the past decade, but better than all expectations given the severe circumstances. Here are the key results. Number of new loans booked by BFL was 16.88 million. Customer franchise grew by 14% to 48.57 million. Despite COVID-19, AUM increased by 4% to 1,52,947 crore. Total income increased 1% to rupees 26,683 crore, while net interest income or NII rose by 2% to rupees 17,269 crore. Total OPEX reduced by 6% to rupees 5,308 crore. Consequently, OPEX to NII improved from 33.5% to 30.7%. Pre-provision operating profit increased by 6% to rupees 11,961 crore. Loan losses and provisions grew by 52% to rupees 5,969 crore, while profit before tax decreased by 18% to rupees 5,992 crore. Profit after tax reduced also by 16% to rupees 4,420 crore. BFL's capital adequacy ratio as on 31st March 2021 was over 28%, which continued to be well above the RBI norms. Tier 1 adequacy was over 25%. Bajaj Housing Finance, BHFL, a 100% subsidiary of BFL, also did well in FY 21. Its AUM increased by 19% to rupees 38,871 crore, while NII rose by 15% to rupees 1,189 crore. And despite taking some significant provisions on account of COVID-19, profit after tax grew by 8% to rupees 453 crore. BAGIC is one of India's leading composite general insurers, offering all types of general insurance, including motor, health, crop insurance, marine, and various forms of commercial lines of insurance. It has built a strong retail franchise and retained a leading position among private insurers in India. It was able to hold ground in FY 21 despite COVID affecting not just the general and health insurance industry, but virtually all economic activity. Bajaj summarized results are as follows. Gross written premium GWP was rupees 12,624 crore. Bajaj's market share in the industry, including standalone insurers, was at 6.8% in FY21 versus 7.2% a year earlier. Net earned premium reduced by 9% to rupees 7,436 crore, while profit before tax increased by 29% to rupees 1,769 crore, and profit after tax increased by 33% to rupees 1,330 crore, the highest ever since its inception in 2001. The combined ratio was 96.9%, and Bajaj's return on average equity was 20.3%, 220 bips higher than the previous year. In the life insurance business, BALIC recorded an all-time high gross written premium GWP of rupees 12,025 crore and an AUM of rupees 73,773 crore in FY21. Though market conditions for the industry, which depend on consumer savings, remained depressed for more than 2 quarters, BALIC recorded excellent growth well above the market. Its key results for FY21 were: new business premium grew by 22% to rupees 6,313 crore, while individual rated new business premium, which we focus on a lot, increased by 28% to rupees 2,468 crore. Renewal premium also rose by a handsome 25% to rupees 5,712 crore. Consequently, GWP increased 23% to rupees 12,025 crore. As I mentioned earlier, our highest GWP ever. New business value, or NBV, a key metric used to measure profitability of life businesses, increased by a strong 59% to rupees 361 crore, while shareholders' profit after tax increased by 29% to rupees 580 crore. Thanks to the excellent business and financial performances of Bajaj Finance, Bajaj and BALIC under these severely trying times, your company's financials have also done well. In FY21, our consolidated revenue stood at rupees 60,592 crore, while our consolidated profit after tax was rupees 4,470 crore. As I speak to you today, India has been swamped by a massive second wave of COVID-19 with daily infection rates of the kind not seen earlier. And remember that this too shall pass. Thank you and take care.